Because usually past 4 years I am searching the Red Colliding workshop actually. Me and my friends are searching the workshop in India, but we couldn't see anything. Finally, we got the information through the Facebook actually. After some of my friends are told me about the Studio Gopo. I thought Studio Gopo looked like a kind of alternative kind of lab or something studio like that. But it's not like a studio, it's a research center actually. The past 3 days I enjoyed my time actually.
If you're like you just go through this Gopo studio, it's like fine. They have constructed a new building over all this glass enclave, and the first time in India, they're just going through this wet coloring workshop, and many into alternative process too. So I just went through, and I was just a bit fascinated because I came to know a lot about they're organizing this gum bichromate, cyanotype, and all this alternative process.
No. Come on. It's a small dot.
Done?
It's a small dot.
It's better to pour more.
So I had gone to study alternate processes in New York at the International Center of Photography for 6 months, and I was doing just short workshops, and I really loved it. Like I knew that this is what I want to work with. But then in my last month, I was totally freaking out that I have to go back home, and I don't know. It's like a clean slate. I don't know anyone who's doing anything like this. As far as I knew, there was no infrastructure to support it. But my uncle in India read a newspaper article about Studio Gopo, and I think it was just a few months old at that time, and he sent me a picture of the article. So I immediately went on the website and all, and it felt like one total godsend to me at that time. Like the experience was, it's been really great. So like I said, I did one 5-day workshop before in New York, and it's been totally different, and I think in a very good way that I feel like what happened there was everything was on such a grand scale. It felt like some something really hard and unachievable that I was doing. And also like I was doing it, but there was so much input from there, so many things that were only specific to America, chemicals, even the space, so I just felt like this is something that was great. I loved it, but I could only do it over there in that setting with everything perfect the way it was. So I found that the way it's being taught here at a very individual scale, where everything suddenly seems accessible, it seems doable. Ki, okay, if you don't have this, how can you improvise? Or if this is the climatic situation, how can you, make it work? And even like this is the first time I've seen a studio space in like a small home kind of setting, and it's really encouraging. And even the way it was taught, even the chemistry for someone like me who I don't really understand chemicals, I have a little fear, and when people just talk and bombard you with information, I tend to get a little nervous with that. But here it's like it was broken down little day by day. Every day you were just told about one thing, so one day you just discuss the developer and everything around it. So that way it seems like, in watching him actually do it step by step, doing it ourselves, I feel like I have the confidence now to go back, and once I find the camera and all that, I really feel like now it's possible for me to go and have my own setup in whatever small way. And then that day in the village where you saw that literally where there's nothing, you have made something and made like nice work, and it's possible under any condition with whatever that, the water that was coming out of the tap, there was literally yellow color, and I was actually shocked that we were using it, because you've been told distilled water, everything's so free of impurities, so free of dust, all that, and here you just, and I love that that yellow color water is going to be a part of that photograph, and that is the flavor of the place we went to and captured. So it was a really special experience.
Your opinion about the residency programs, which are get under plan coaching, it's going to come.
I am totally looking forward to it because I think it is a wonderful idea. And if it's like, let's say, a 2-week to a 1 month kind of thing, that is an ideal space. Mane, if there is an artist, photographer who comes with a body of work, and ekhane theke, mane, just again, jeta amra bolchilam, to be cut off from the city, being in this space and just doing that work, mane, I think it will add hugely to that work, and that probably makes a lot more sense than it's like a 3-day workshop. We come, we get the basic idea. But residency,